Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Notion database sync with version history, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Notion app or website. Navigate to the database that you want to verify for sync. Locate the three dots in the top right corner of the database page. Click on the three dots to open the options menu. Select version history from the drop-down menu. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. Review the list of changes made to the database. Each entry shows the date and time of the change. Click on any entry to view a preview of that version. Take note of the differences compared to the current version. You can also restore a previous version if needed. To compare versions, click on the desired versions preview. A split-screen view will show the current and selected versions. Look for any discrepancies in the content or structure. Verify that recent changes appear as expected. This process ensures your database is syncing correctly. Repeat the steps as necessary for other databases. Close the version history sidebar when finished. Your Notion database is now verified for sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.